Hello friend, welcome back to my channel Take W3 Wave. This is Vijay Kumar. Take W3 Wave, it is a platform where you can learn step by step all about the Salesforce application and development. In this tutorial, you will be learn about a framework, LWC, Apex Class Trigger, Visual Force, and many more. So now let's get started. In this lesson, we will be learn about how to search between two dates and get the all records from a start date and end date using search functionality in LWC. So friends, follow these steps to achieve this scenario. There are three steps need to follow. Step number one, step number two, and step number three. So in the step number one, I created a custom Lightning app so that we can call the Lightning component into the custom application. So here I created a custom Lightning app. Name is a custom app. In the step number two, go to the gear icon and click on the edit page. In the edit page, we will be called the LWC component. Step number three, here I call the LWC component into the Salesforce. So in the LWC component, I created two date type field from and to. So here we can search from between two date. So here we can search between two date. This is a from and there is a to. Once click on the search button, this is a custom object type. So once click on the search, we will be display the record in the table format. So here I am using custom object. We will be display the record of the custom object below the table. So between two date from and to, let's suppose I am selecting 21 and to 30. So between two date from and to, once click on the search button, we will be display the record between two date in the table format here. So we will be display from the custom object here. So here I am using custom object to display the record after click the search button. Now let me go on the Salesforce org where we will see the live demo scenario. So friends, this is my Salesforce org. First create a custom app, then go to the edit page. Click the edit page and here you need to search your LWC component. My component name is LWC search date. Select and drag and drop here. You can see here I am using LWC search date. So edit the page and call your LWC component in the custom app. In this LWC component, I created two date type fields from and to. So here I will be select from date and here another one select to date. Once click on the search button, search recorded will be displayed below the table. Now let me go on the Lightning Studio where we will be see the LWC component. So friends, here you can see I open my LWC component into the Lightning Studio. This is my LWC component, LWC search date. This is a JavaScript file. This is a meta XML file. This is a Apex class controller. So in the LWC component, here I created two date type fields. First for from and second for from to. So here we will be search between two date from and to. And there is also created a button, search button. Once click on the search button here, then we will be display the between two date, we will be search a record from Salesforce and display on the table. Now let me see the search action button. Go to the JavaScript file and here you can see this is a method name of search actions. Once click on the search button, this method will be executed. And on the top here you can see I importing the LWC method. And here you can see I am importing the Apex class controller and method. The name of the Apex class controller is LWC date component controller. If you go to the Apex class controller, here I created search arrow item. So friends, here I am using custom object. Object name is arrow published. Here I am retrieving the data of the arrow published object. Here I define a list of the object and here I am querying data. In the method, here I am using two parameters as a date, name of the date string 1 and date string 2. And in the last, here you can see This is a field name and both of the parameter I am passing here so that we can get the data dynamically. And after that, I am returning data that is coming from the SQL query. So friends, now let me jump to the my Salesforce where we will see how to search between two dates and display the searches record data on the table format. So now let's check. So friends, here I am searching between two dates from and to. First I am selecting from date. I am selecting to date. Then I am clicking on the search button. The between two date, here I am displaying the data below the table. Friends, if you want to soft copy code of all files, check on description of this video. In the description of this video, I will provide live demo scenarios link so that you can simply copy and paste to create functionality in your personal org. And you will be save lot of time, energy and effort. Friends, you can also schedule a meeting with me. I will provide schedule meeting link in the description of this video. If you are stuck in any kind of issue during development, schedule meeting with me. I will help you to resolve the issue. You will be get schedule meeting link in the description of this video. You can schedule meeting with me as per your availability date and time. Thank you.